everyone, welcome back to our eBay flip. So for today's recap, we got a total of 31 eBay leads, 27 coming from eBay OA, and then 4 coming from eBay RA. So let's check some of the samples that we got here. Let's check the RA leads that we got. This Lego item that you could buy for 20 pounds and sell it for 40, double its price. Another Lego deal that you could buy for 20 pounds and sell it for 40. This Lego Marvel deal that you could buy for 10 pounds and sell it for 20 or 22 pounds, double its price again. And lastly, this Lego deal that you could buy for 10 pounds and sell it for 20 pounds, double its price. So mostly the deals from RA, eBay are double its prices. So check them out, guys, and make sure to see all the latest deals and uploads that we got for you because this could be out of stock once you see it, so check them out, guys. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you some options: review giveaways, affiliate income, bounty bonus, and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free to check these channels out. And a bot-operated channel that we offer you is this price drop monitoring, wherein you can see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check them out, guys, because we got a lot of options for you. Another bot-operated channel is this Amazon to eBay, wherein you could monitor all the leads from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay account. And lastly, our general community for eBay, wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day. Bye, everyone!